Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy and Happy Living with Minya Durovic, and my name is Minya. I do want to talk a little bit about my background and why I decided to go, into health and nutrition. When I was a little kid, I, ate very unhealthy, ate a lot of junk food, was constantly eating throughout the day, and I didn't have much physical activity either. I didn't really care about that until, when I was in high school, I noticed that I had put on a few pounds, and most importantly, I noticed that I was depressed. So I knew that I needed to change my lifestyle in order to feel better. So I started working out about 20 minutes a day, reducing my portion sizes, and just eating more fruits and vegetables. I still ate the foods that I loved, but just every now and then instead of all the time. Within a few months, I noticed that, I was feeling healthier. I was feeling, happier and just more energetic than I did before. I did have some weight loss too, but how I felt was most important. When I got into college, I decided that, I wanted to learn more about the human body and nutrition so I can later help others feel their happiest and best selves. What I do focus on is the Mediterranean diet and more so the lifestyle than the diet itself. And according to the Mayo Clinic, the World Health Organization recognizes the Mediterranean diet as healthy and sustainable. So it's not like all those other fad diets where you lose a few pounds and then you put them on later and just not notice any real changes. With the Mediterranean lifestyle, it is long term. You notice changes in how you're feeling and just your nutrition and your cholesterol and heart health, is a lot better too. Um, with the Mediterranean diet, it is high in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, nuts, and olive oil. For all of my cooking, I do use olive oil compared to, you know, other oils like canola oil. Olive oil is a lot healthier. It does have monounsaturated fats, which are healthy fats, and they help with, heart health and just reducing cardiovascular disease. Fish and chicken are also incorporated into the Mediterranean diet, but not as much as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and all that other stuff. With the Mediterranean diet, it is more plant-based rather than meat-based. I want to talk a little bit about fish. Fish is really healthy. It has a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, which do prevent inflammation. So if you can incorporate fish into your diet, that is recommended. Some people don't like the taste of fish, but there are many different ways to make it where it does taste good too. Wine. So with wine, the Mediterranean lifestyle does allow wine in moderation, of course, but you can have that cup of wine every now and then. I want to talk about yoga and meditation. So, nutrition is important, but how your mind and soul is connected and how you're feeling is also important. So I do recommend that everybody, does some yoga and meditation every day because then you can really connect with your body and just, feel where the tension is and just improve on that. Your body will thank you for it, but your brain will thank you for it as well. Thank you.